Welcome guys to the 7th video in this tutorial series. So in the previous video we looked at the justify content property of the flex container, and this in this video we're going to be looking at the align items property, which aligns item vertically. Don't forget the justify content aligns item along the main axis of the current line of the flex container, but the align items we're going to be looking at today aligns the flex items along the cross axis. So let me comment this out and let's see the align items. So this, we have different options. We can start with the default option for this is the stretch. Stretch. Let's see what this gives us in the vertical or the cross axis. So now this is the you saw what happened. I think I removed the justify content that I left at space evenly. So now the align items is stretched. Stretch. So if I put this at flex end, guys, let's see what happens. Something is wrong, guys. Something is wrong. What is the problem? Okay guys, sorry, you're not saying anything because the items in the container, they are just taking what they need. So if I want this align item to function, then there must be space in the container. So how do I create that space? I'm going to give the container a height, maybe let's say 800 pixels, and now the flex end can go down, guys. So it's gonna go down. So like I said, the default option or the default setting is stretch. So this is what happens by default. So it's gonna stretch from top to bottom for the align items. So you can see how helpful this justify content, which is for the main axis, and align items for the cross axis, can be helpful. So the align item default is stretch. So what if I set it to center? What happened? So let's set it to center. We are going to have the item at the center of the page. Can we see, guys? So this can also be, we can also set justify content at the same time with align items. So let's say I want both to be centered horizontally and vertically. I'm going to use justify content center and align items center, guys. Do you see it now? So let me comment this out. For align items, apart from flex start, we have flex end, we have a stretch, we have center, then we have baseline. We have baseline. So I'm not going to be touching baseline because this is just the basic. But I would see before the end of this series if I can talk on baseline. But the four you should be working with, we have the flex end, flex starts. You see them? End and start, end and start. Then we also have the center and we have the stretch. Guys, can you see it now? Okay, so this is how the align items works. Okay, so thank you for your time for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.